An inaugural worship service has been held in the newly established Inzai Extension in the Ecclesiastical District of Tokyo, Japan. Sister Ronessa DePeño walks us through the details.
Chiba Prefecture, home to the renowned Tokyo Disneyland and DisneySea, is celebrated for its rich cultural heritage and beautiful scenic spots. With humble hearts and big smiles, brethren in the Ecclesiastical District of Tokyo, Japan, convened at Matsudoshi Nijusei Kigaoka Community Center to witness the inaugural worship service of the Inzai Extension, which sprang forth from the local congregation of Ichikawa in Chiba. Leading up to the momentous event, the church officers of the said local congregation took the lead in organizing the activity, overseeing all aspects of preparation. Before the event began, they also gathered for a devotional prayer to spiritually prepare for the activity. Let us now hear from Brother Jerick Mervin Carbonell, a TSV officer who also serves in various church duties and is one of the brethren chosen to help lead the Inzai Extension.
Nagsimula po ito nang kami po ay dalawin sa aming puntahanan ng aming pong mahal na destinado, ang kapatid na Joel Parlade. Nasaksihan po nila mismo kung gaano po kalayo ang aming pong dako sa lokal po ng Ichikawa.
Ang ganitong mga karagdagang dako ng mga pagsamba ay napakalaking biyaya sa ating mga kapatid, sapagkat yung dating kanilang malalayong nilalakbay, ngayon ay mailalapit na sa kanila. At mas magiging madali para sa kanila ngayon na ipag-anyaya ang ating mga pagtitipon sa loob ng iglesia, lalo na ang ating mga pagsamba sa ating Panginoong Diyos, sapagkat magiging malapit na ang dako na kung saan doon nila dadalhin ang kanilang mga panauhin.
As the choir sang a heartfelt hymn of praise, the brethren deeply felt the overwhelming presence and grace of our Almighty God. The district supervising minister, Brother Amante Rodriguez, graciously officiated the occasion, delivering a Bible-based homily that was especially timely and relevant to the present day. He reminded the brethren that as God's people, we must strive to live in a way that pleases Him. In the face of the many challenges and hardships in this wicked world, we should have the discernment and self-awareness to distinguish right from wrong. He also urged everyone to continue strengthening their faith and to uphold a Christian way of life as we journey toward the promised salvation. Inspired by the message, Brother Carbonell expressed his heartfelt gratitude.
Kami po ay nagagalak at amin po itong ikinararangal na maging bahagi po ng makasaysayang okasyon na ito. Pinagpapasalamat po namin sa Panginoong Diyos at sa ating tagapamahalang pangkalahatan na pinagtibay na magkaroon po ng dako ng pagsamba.
As the momentous event continued, a ceremonial signing was conducted as a confirmation and formal recognition of Inzai as the official extension of the local congregation of Ichikawa.
Kaya naman sa lahat ng mga kapatid na matatala sa Inzai Extension, ipagpatuloy po natin ang ating mga kasiglahan sa mga pagsamba sa ating Panginoong Diyos para lalong madulutan natin siya ng lubos na kasiyahan.
It was truly the work of God's mighty hand. These faithful and loyal servants are living proof of His love and mercy through the constant care of the church administration.
Sa amin pong pinakamamahal na tagapamahalang pangkalahatan, kapatid na Eduardo Himanalo, at sa amin pong pangalawang tagapamahalang pangkalahatan, kapatid na Angelo Eranio Himanalo, maraming salamat po sa inyong pamamatnubay, sa inyo pong mga paggabay, at sa pangunguna sa buong iglesia sa mga paglilingkod sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Dito po sa Distrito Eklesyastiko ng Tokyo, Japan, ay totoong nakikinabang sa inyo pong magiting, matagumpay at makapangyarihang pamamahala sa buong iglesia.
From Tokyo, Japan, I'm Sister Ronessa DePeño for the Iglesia ni Cristo News Network.